Welcome, today I am with SoundPeats TrueAir 2 and I will show you a quick unboxing of this device. So let's remove this foil. Okay, and right now when you get rid of that foil, we can smoothly remove this box and open this one. Okay, so as you can see here we have our earbuds. They are also packaged with the foil that we can remove. Okay, I can make it from this side. And here's our product, so let's open it. Here we got the indicator, left and the right earbud. It's another foil that we are going to remove. That's how they look inside. USB-C charging port, another indicator. Honestly, pretty good quality for that price, definitely. And here we have our earphones. Let me just remove that foil. Okay, they make sound when I take them off from the case. We are going to pair them with my smartphone, but let's go for next part of the box. What we can find more here. Okay, here we have probably the cable. Yeah, as you can see, we have here the USB-C cable that we can plug right here in this place, just like that. Oops. And at the bottom we can find the usual manual, the paperwork, so how to pair them and other the information stuff. So right now I'm gonna try to pair them with my smartphone. Okay, maybe I have to remove them from the box because right now they are not appears. Yeah, right now when I take them from the case, I hear the notification that they are going to be paired. So let's refresh the list. As you can see, here we have our SoundPeats TrueAir 2, so just tap once. I'm gonna put the right one to the ear, accept pair, and yeah, right now we are connected. Let me just check the sound. I'm gonna put the left one also, so there will be quick overview of the sound. Okay, so they fit really good in the ears and the sound is really nice for that price. I can recommend you definitely these earbuds. And yeah, so that's all basically, I think. Oh, I have to remove the sound. So yeah, as you can see, that's how we can that's how it looks unboxing of the SoundPeats Air 2. All additional stuff that you can find in the box, it's the usual manual and this USB-C cable, and the pairing is very simple, as you can see. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.